At ako'y nagpapasalamat sa mahal kong ina at walang sawang sumusuporta. Kung hindi dahil sa iyo, Ma, wala ako dito ngayon sa PBB. Maraming salamat din sa lahat ng mababait na staff sa PBB Culinary. Thank you.
Christian Bakero, and I am here today because I want to thank my parents for supporting me and giving me an opportunity to study at PBB Culinary School. And I want to thank the chefs for teaching us, and I hope that the skills they have given us, we will apply it in our future jobs. Thank you.
Sa tanan, pasalamat ko sa tanang staff diri sa PBB Culinary. So ilabi na ni Sir Paul, daghan kayong salamat. Ug magpasalamat ko sa akong ginikanan ug akong mga igsuon na walay undang og pagsuporta kanako. Daghan kayong salamat.
I would like to show my gratefulness to my parents. I am so blessed and honored to have you both. You have made me a better person today, and that will forever a wonderful thing for me. Thank you for giving me for guiding me in learning and doing everything possible to help me walk in the path of greatness. Whatever achievement I will receive today is because of the sacrifice of both of you both. Thank you.
Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon, sa aking magulang, sa walang sawang suporta sa akin, at sa aking asawa na lagi nandyan, sa aking mga kapatid, sa aking natsuhin na tumulong para makapag-aral ako dito, at sa lahat ng staff ng PBB Culinary Center, maraming salamat po.
Sa mga oras na to, wala ko itong gustong pasalamatan kundi yung mga magulang ko. Dahil sila yung hindi nagsawang sumuporta sa akin kahit ilang beses ako magkamali. Mapa, dahil sa inyo nakarating ako dito sa PBB Culinary Center. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
First of all, I would like to thank all of the staffs and mentors of PBB Culinary Center, and of course to my mama. Daghan kayong salamat sa tanang sakripisyo nga imong gibuhat para maabot ko diri makatabang na ko nimo kuan.
Daghan salamat Chef Paul sa imong gihatag nga second chance dili ka nako sa maka-refresh ko sa akong knowledge sa pagluto. Daghang salamat sa imong suporta nga tabang para makatrabaho ko, ug daghang salamat Chef Aldwin sa pag-motivate para makatrabaho ko balik. Daghang salamat.
First of all, I am very thankful to my parents because they do their best to support my dream in life. And thank you to all PBB mentors, especially Chef Vicente Renyabon. To all mentors, thank you for the knowledge that you give to me. Thank you so much.
Una sa tanan, salamat sa PBB family ug sa akong ate Jacqueline. Thank you kaayo, thank you kay naa ka permi nakasupport sa ako. Bisag wala ka dinhi, bisag ako lang usa mo travel, wala ko na feel nga lonely ko kay naa ka. Ate, pohon dili masayang imong gitabang sa ako, maniguro ko para sa ako future. Ate, I love you.
Tanan, nagpasalamat ako sa Ginoo o sa PBB family. Nagpasalamat ako og dako sa akong pamilya nga nagsuporta kanako diri sa PBB Culinary. Daghang salamat.
Paul, I'm so thankful to be part of this training or class that you provided in our province. And also to my parents for supporting me to join her. Especially to my partner in life. I'm happy that we successfully finished this one, but most of all to our mighty God, that He never leave us since from the start until forever. Thank you.
is fun. Follow your dreams and desire. We got the knowledge and tools that require Let's achieve our dreams and never say never. PBB Culinary Tutorial Center. To be a world-class chef and settle for anything better. PBB Culinary Tutorial Center. Let's achieve our dreams and never say never. PBB Culinary Tutorial Center. To be a world-class chef, don't settle for anything better. PBB Culinary Tutorial Center. Let's achieve our dreams and never say never. PBB Culinary Tutorial Center. To be a world-class chef, don't settle for anything better. PBB Culinary Tutorial Center. Let's achieve our dreams and never say never. PBB Culinary Tutorial Center. To be a world-class chef, don't settle for anything better. PBB We are here to provide you with skills, knowledge, and expertise for you to be the best chef and culinary master that there is. Cooking is fun, follow your dreams and desire. We got the knowledge and tools that requires. PBB Culinary Tutorial Center. To be a world-class chef, don't settle for anything better. PBB Culinary Tutorial Center. Let's achieve our dreams and never say never. We are here to provide you with skills, knowledge, and expertise for you to be the best chef and culinary master that there is. Cooking is fun, follow your dreams and desire. We got the knowledge and tools that requires. PBB Culinary Tutorial Center. To be a world-class chef, don't settle for anything better. PBB Culinary Tutorial Center. Let's achieve our dreams and never say never. PBB Culinary Tutorial Center. To be a world-class chef, don't settle Let's achieve our dreams and never say never. PBB Culinary Tutorial Center. To be a world-class chef, don't settle for anything better. PBB Culinary Tutorial Center. Let's achieve our dreams and never say never. PBB Culinary Tutorial Center. To be a world-class chef, don't settle for anything better. PBB Culinary Tutorial Center. Let's achieve our dreams and never say never. PBB Culinary Tutorial Center. To be a world-class chef, don't settle for anything better. PBB Culinary Tutorial Center. We are here to provide you with skills, knowledge, and expertise for you to be the best chef and culinary master that there is. Cooking is fun, follow your dreams and desire. We got the knowledge and tools that require